stop scrolling. Because some of the most hyped SUVs of 2025 are also some of the worst vehicles you could possibly buy. Not minor issues. Not first-year quirks. We're talking dead batteries, blown transmissions, warning lights everywhere, and dealerships that know your name by heart. If you're shopping for an SUV in 2025, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Let's expose them. Why these SUVs made the list. This list isn't opinions. It's built from owner complaints, reliability surveys, recall history, warranty repair data. If a vehicle keeps breaking in the same way over and over, it earns a spot here. Let's start with the least bad and work our way to disaster. Number 12, Lincoln Corsair. This SUV wants to feel luxurious, but nothing feels premium about it. Screens freezing, electronics randomly dying, luxury prices for economy car reliability. If your idea of luxury is spending time in a service lounge, this one's for you. Number 11, Cadillac XT4. Cadillac tried to go high-tech. Instead, owners got glitchy infotainment, sensors that freak out, transmissions that hesitate like they're second-guessing life. It looks modern. It just doesn't work as it should. Number 10, Mazda CX-90 and CX-70. Yes, it's shocking. Mazda usually gets reliability right, but these plug-in hybrids? They're not ready. Owners report hybrid system warnings, software bugs, rough power delivery. Translation, beautiful SUV. Beta test drivetrain. Number 9, VW Atlas Cross Sport. Big, comfortable, family-friendly, and absolutely allergic to electronics working properly. Random warning lights. Sensors are failing for no reason. Infotainment is crashing like it's running Windows 98. Volkswagen interiors feel expensive until the repair bills arrive. Number 8, Dodge Hornet. This SUV feels rushed, and it shows. Early owners report build quality problems, electrical gremlins, software issues right out of the gate. Buying one now means you're the test driver, and Dodge is collecting the data. Number 7, Jeep Compass. The Compass has been unreliable for years, and 2025 didn't fix it. Transmission problems, engine complaints, electronics that love warning lights. Adventure is fun. Breakdowns are not. Number 6, Jeep Wrangler. Yes, it's iconic. It's also consistently unreliable. Steering issues, suspension problems, infotainment bugs that never seem to get fixed. The Wrangler isn't a daily driver. It's a personality trait with consequences. Number 5, Ford Escape Hybrid. Hybrid tech is supposed to save you money, unless it doesn't work. Owners report battery warnings, electrical failures, sudden loss of power. Fuel savings disappear real fast when the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Number 4, GMC Yukon Chevy Tahoe. These SUVs are huge, powerful, expensive, and when they break hard. V8 lifter failures, transmission issues, electronics that can't handle the load. Great if you like towing, terrible if you like keeping money. Number 3, Volkswagen Taos. The Taos should have been safe. Instead, it's been a mess. Engine hesitation, jerky transmissions, software that feels unfinished. This SUV is proof that new doesn't mean better. Number 2, Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. Especially the plug-in hybrid models. Owners report hybrid system shutdowns, battery faults, recall after recall after recall. The Grand Cherokee is comfortable, capable, and way too complicated for its own good. Number 1, Chevrolet Blazer EV. This one takes the crown. Software failures were so bad that sales were literally paused. Charging problems, system crashes, vehicles that stop working. This is what happens when innovation outruns reliability testing. Early adopters paid the price. Final warning. Here's the brutal truth. The worst SUVs of 2025 all suffer from overcomplicated tech, rushed launches, untested hybrid and EV systems. Being new is cool. Being stranded is not. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, destroy that like button. Subscribe for honest car content manufacturers don't want you to hear, and drop a comment. Which SUV on this list surprised you the most? See you next time.